Hi, I'm Fire Prevention Officer Michael Atkins, and this is Fire Prevention Officer Ken Denommee. Here, Ken, put that on. Previously, Ken claimed to be more passionate about fire safety than I am.
Say I'm more passionate about fire safety!
Today we're at Millennials Wrestling Organization, where Ken's gonna prove how passionate he is about fire safety by stepping into the ring with MWO superstar, the BFG Ethan Strong.
What? What? No!
Who's passionate now, Ken?
This is a perfect opportunity for us to discuss the importance of working smoke alarms. You're doing great, Ken. He's not doing great. But you know what would be great? If you were to install working smoke alarms on every level of your home and outside of all sleeping areas. Oh, I didn't even think biting was legal in wrestling. This is fantastic. Yeah.
And how does this prove he's passionate about fire safety?
Watch this. Oh, Ken, I heard that Ethan doesn't have working smoke alarms.
What? No!
Use your aggressive feelings, Ken. Let the hate flow through you.
Say it! Say it! Working smoke alarms save lives! Oh, God!
Oh, Ken, maybe you really are more passionate about fire safety than I am.
Ken, I hear Ethan sometimes leaves cooking unattended.
What?